How to glow up in a week. Aesthetic, confident, and clean girl vibes. You wake up 1 week from now looking like a Pinterest board. Hair, flawless. Skin, glowing. Outfit, serving. Confidence, unmatched. And guess what? It's not magic. It's this 7-day glow-up plan. Trust me, if my sleepy, overthinking, tea-loving self can do it, so can you. Why wait? Your future self is already clapping for you. Let's start today, because what's 1 week compared to a lifetime of confidence? Day 1. The reset. Stop living in chaos. It's time to stop living in survival mode. If your room looks like a tornado, hit it, clean it. A clean space equals calm mind. Clear out old notifications. Delete those 100+ tabs draining your energy. This is your season. New you, new vibe, new feed. Start your day without grabbing your phone. Stretch, sip tea, journal a little, or just breathe and exist like a Pinterest aesthetic. Small shifts create big magic. Day 2. Skincare and hair care. Your glow era starts now. Dry, dull skin? Not on our watch. Wash your face for a full 60 seconds. Yes, a full minute. Sunscreen? Non-negotiable. Hydration? Essential. Change your pillowcase. Your skin will thank you. And stop touching your face. We see you. Hair feeling meh? Try a Luxe oil massage, deep conditioning, or a hair mask. Soft, bouncy, dreamy hair. Day 3. Fashion refresh. Stop dressing like a sleepy potato. I love hoodies too, but today we elevate. Your outfit should match your energy. Powerful, confident, classy. Neutrals? Yes. Blazers? Even better. Find your signature vibe, whether it's clean girl, soft glam, or dark feminine. Accessories are your secret weapon. A simple look can become luxury with the right bag, earrings, or sunglasses. Day 4. Mindset shift. Main character mode. Confidence is not a look. It's a mindset. Be delusional in the best way possible. Wake up, look in the mirror, and say, I am that girl. Act like your higher self is watching. Speak like her, walk like her, smile more. Apologize less. You don't need permission to shine. Start affirmations. Journal your wins. And stop comparing yourself to strangers online. You're incomparable. Day 5. Level up routine. Stop scrolling. Start glowing. We've all stayed up scrolling, but no more. Your time is valuable. Protect your mornings like they're gold. Wake up earlier, drink lemon water like an iGirl, and make a simple to-do list. Romanticize your mornings, even if it's just brushing your hair to lo-fi beats. At night, no more makeup on sleep or doom scrolling at 3 a.m. Glow-ups are built in routines, not just in selfies. Day 6. Beauty boost. Subtle glam, maximum power. You don't need heavy makeup to glow. Try a clean girl look, glowy skin, fresh lips, defined brows. Even if you don't wear makeup, a little brow gel and lip tint work wonders. And perfume? Major key. Layer a soft body lotion plus matching perfume. Let your scent announce you before you speak. Your nails? Keep them clean, polished, or painted in your signature vibe. Details matter. Day 7. Final form. Becoming that girl. Put on that confident outfit, take aesthetic pics, walk like you're on a runway, and own your energy. Today is about stepping into your power. Start that dream project. Speak like your voice matters. Walk like you've already made it. So tell me, what day are you starting today? Comment below and let's glow up together. And don't forget to like, share, and remind yourself, this is your glow era, and it's just beginning.